sa pump. So I'm going to train my legs later, but before that, I just received a package from Warrior Aesthetic Fitness Apparel. So yeah, let's open it and let's see what's inside. Cool. A gym stringer. And what's this? A hand wraps. A hand wraps. 3 kinds of hand wraps. With different colors. So yeah, thank you so much to Warrior Aesthetic Fitness Apparel for sending me this cool stuff. I really appreciate it. The stringer is very nice and very comfortable to use. So if you want to purchase it, there's a link on my description. So please check it out. There's a bunch of fitness apparel in their shop. Ang ganda niya mga bro. Maganda yung tela, tsaka yung quality. Napaka-comfortable sa katawan. So yeah, bili na kayo mga bro. Peace.